How to replace the windshield wiper blades on a Kia Niro EV. This is a 2024. It's going to work like this on a lot of Kia Niros. It's very simple to do. We're going to start by popping this up. And all we're going to do here is we need to flip this windshield wiper back. So I'll show you around here. If we come around here, if I flip this here, I'm going to flip it back, but you see it kind of catches here, right here. And there's, if you can see, it says press here, and there's a press on the other side. We're just going to press here so that we can release the windshield wiper like that. Once we release the windshield wiper like that, it's going to more or less pop off. And because this, if you can see, this little plastic bar here is going to come into this notch right here. So then we're going to come in with our new windshield wiper. We're going to find this notch, this bar, and we're going to line it up with this notch, if you can see, around like this. Pop that in like that, and then we're just going to put it down, and then these clips will clip then. If you heard that clip. So now the windshield wiper has now been replaced. You do the exact same thing on the other windshield wiper, and you are done. So if this video helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe for more quick tutorials like this on this car and others.